Welcome to the Cognitive Psychology, Learning and Memory lesson on language processing. By the end of the video, you will learn about functions and structure of language, basic units of language, phonemes and morphemes processes in language. You will also learn about language development and comprehensive model of language processing. Language is a tool that helps us communicate every day and express our thoughts, emotions, and instructions. It works in many areas, social, academic, and professional, to share intentions and commands. This helps us interact and connect with others, making it important for human interaction and culture. Speech acts are parts of communication where the speaker tries to influence the listener through commands or suggestions. These acts can be direct orders or subtle hints. Understanding these speech acts helps keep interactions clear and effective, whether in personal talks or professional discussions. Propositional content is the ideas within conversations, packed in sentences to help listeners understand the speaker's intentions. This content needs to be clear to avoid miscommunication. Using propositional content means creating sentences that are grammatically and semantically clear, making interactions deeper and clearer. Good communication depends on the speaker adjusting their message based on the listener's knowledge, called thematic structuring. This adjustment keeps the message relevant and engaging, making sure it is understood and appreciated. The basic structure of language includes phonology, sounds, syntax, sentence structure, and semantics, meaning. These elements create the foundation for effective communication, helping people create messages understood across different contexts and cultures. Phonemes are the smallest sound units in language, and morphemes are the smallest meaning units. These are essential for understanding any language. Phonemes vary between languages, making it hard to learn new languages as learners must recognize and produce unfamiliar sounds. Advanced linguistic analysis looks at words and sounds in phrases and sentences through lexical and syntactic analysis. These analyses help understand language use, showing how words combine to create meaning and how sentences are structured for effective communication. Understanding the phrase structure of sentences, which breaks sentences into noun and verb phrases, helps in parsing and comprehending language. This analysis clarifies sentence grammar and meaning, important for both native and second language speakers to communicate effectively. Surface structure and deep structure in sentences describe the visible word arrangement and underlying meanings. These structures are key for interpreting language, showing how sentences are constructed and understood. Sentences with the same surface structure can have different deep structures, leading to varied interpretations. Language production is a complex process with stages: planning what to say, structuring the conversation, organizing sentences, and finally, speaking. This process shows the strategic use of language to influence listeners, share information, or entertain. Speech perception and comprehension are fast and context-driven. We process familiar sounds quickly but struggle with unfamiliar ones, showing the difficulty of learning new languages. This perception is active, using context and expectations to understand. Kinshas's comprehensive model of language processing uses propositions for comprehension, emphasizing the reader's active role in creating meaning from text. This model includes memory and analysis, explaining how people understand written and spoken language. And with those final words, we conclude this lesson. For additional information on this lesson, please look at the content below the video in the online course. To get a list of the important questions and their answers for this lesson, please refer to the guidebook by our publications provided to you with this course for free. It shows you a list of all the questions that have the highest chance of coming in your next exams based on research carried out on previous year question papers. All the best, and I'll see you in the next lesson.